Okay, so in this video over here, I talked about how you can actually make money with Deriv P2P on my main channel. So if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, to both of my channels, you should do so right now. So in this video, I talked about how you can actually make use of Deriv P2P and how you can actually make money. So a lot of people have been contacting me, asking me like, how do I go about it, where do I find dollars, how do I deposit, how do I buy cheap, how do I sell profit, this and this is not working, this is not working. And those are a lot of questions, and I understand why it might not be working for you, or why you might be having a lot of difficulties. Okay, and most of you have been contacting me like I've not yet been getting back to you on time and I've not been helping you, and this is why I've decided to make this video, because in this video I'm going to show you that I am now free. I'm now done with my things that was keeping me busy, so I am now free to solving and answering all of your questions. Okay, but of course I cannot really dedicate my time to thousands or hundreds of you people for free, and this is why I brought up something like a pay for service. So this means that like if you need help with anything from me, like from now on, like I'll be charging. So I'm sure might be having a question like, why am I charging for something which I can actually do it for free? Okay, well, if you did not know, I've got 2 channels and I've been creating videos for more than 3 years, and I've been doing all that for free. I've made a lot of videos teaching. Almost no one would ever teach you for free in Zambia. And the bad part is that like most of the stuff like on this main YouTube channel you're currently seeing, this channel is not yet monetized. And if this channel was to get monetized, like as content creators in Zambia, we cannot make any money from Zambian views. So by actually paying me to learn something from me, you're actually supporting me to continue what I'm doing, because making videos is tiresome, especially when you're not even getting anything from them. So this is another great way of actually supporting your own local creators. So if you like help, like now you can actually make money on the Deriv P2P, I can actually help you with that. So what you have to do is simply contact me and let me know that I would like to learn how you can actually make money with the Deriv P2P. And what I can do with you is that we can schedule up a WhatsApp video call, a Zoom call, or a Google meeting, and I can work with you step by step, okay, explaining and showing you everything in detail. Okay, so for this, as I've said, I'm not doing for free. So for this, I'll be charging a 200 kwacha. So a 200 kwacha is enough. Okay, I know for some of you it might be too much, because yeah, it might be too much, but you are learning something which is going to help you make money. And if someone is offering something which can help you make money, you should definitely pay that person and learn, because such opportunities don't really come that easily. Okay, yeah, as for me, like I've really invested a lot of money just to have all this knowledge I have, and a lot of people, especially Zambians, find it hard to invest in something which might help themselves. Okay, I know you managed to pay like thousands of money for school fees and stuff like that, okay, which eventually don't really help you directly, because eventually you have to find a job for you to get paid. But what you're actually paying for me, immediately when you pay and immediately when you start applying what you did for me, you're going to be able to make money from that. So what you're actually paying to me will eventually show better results after learning and applying. It's not like this other stuff which you actually pay and nothing happens. So you can try me. So my number is in the description or on the screen. It's actually 0977 77 0202. Okay, so once you pay me, I'll be able to help you with that. And if you can't afford that, you can simply contact me. I'll be able to help still. Yeah, like I can answer a few questions on my own free time and make some videos about it and so on. Yeah, so this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.